Windy out there today, a little cool because of it.
A little windy, yeah. And those winds, even though they're going to settle down here probably over the next few hours, still extremely gusty outside. Yeah. Let's take a look at some of those weak peak wind gusts that we've had throughout the afternoon hours. Climbing to anywhere around 30 to 40, almost 50 miles an hour in areas like Takema. Look at this 48-mile-per-hour wind gust being observed this afternoon. 44 in Norfolk, Lincoln 38, Platte Smith, as well as Omaha. Wind advisory still remains in effect for a couple of counties. Omaha not included in it anymore, so our winds will begin easing up here. But from Sioux City to even around Columbus and Takema, you're still looking at that advisory in effect until 6 o'clock tonight. Those winds from the northwest, 25 to 35 miles an hour. That's sustained wind with gusts potentially reaching up to about 50 miles an hour. Current wind gusts are averaging anywhere from around 30 to 40 miles an hour. Some of the strongest being reported in York and even Norfolk. And as far as the winds and how we're looking at conditions for the next 24 to 48 hours, winds are still going to be very strong. We're sandwiched in between an area of low pressure and high pressure off to the west of us. So that means that Thursday and Friday sustained winds once again from the northwest, 20 to 30 miles an hour, with those gusts even higher. Futurecast wind gusts right now being projected throughout the afternoon. This is at 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, 30, 40 mile an hour winds. Once again, gusts potentially even into the early evening hours. Wouldn't be surprised if we see another advisory being issued. Have a little bit more sunshine outside right now. Managed to make it to 58 right now, so bump the temperature up. Northwest wind here in Omaha being reported out at Epley at 24 miles an hour. And as far as the temperatures across the rest of the region, sitting in the mid and upper 50s. A couple of cool spots though. Denison and Carroll in the upper 40s, and we're looking at 60s from areas like Lincoln to Beatrice this afternoon. Region-wide, though, very cold air back to the north of us. Sioux Falls, even Minneapolis, sitting in the 40s, and then we're talking almost about close to 18 degrees warmer in areas like Omaha, and even warmer in North Platte with 66 this afternoon. Not as warm as what we've seen over the last couple of days. Hanscom Park, you're reporting 56 degrees, so area neighborhoods right now averaging basically in the mid to upper 50s, close to 60 degrees in Autumn Grove, and Nebraska Crossing coming in at 57 degrees. Skywise right now, we've seen a few clouds across the air, but most of that has moved off to the east of us. A dry afternoon, but there's another round of showers developing over parts of South Dakota. That little wave will move through here as we go through the day tomorrow. We'll start the day off with maybe a couple of passing showers in the early morning hours and temperatures sitting in the 40s. In the afternoon, another round of potentially just some scattered showers popping up. Not looking at widespread activity across the area, but there is that potential we could see some showers throughout the day tomorrow. High temperatures tomorrow once again will be on the cool side or cooler than normal, running around in the mid to upper 50s. Tonight, clearing skies, which we're already beginning to see. Less wind. Those winds will drop off from the northwest about 5 miles an hour, so a big decrease. 40 degrees tomorrow, high of 58, partly cloudy, and some showers off and on. Now the next 3 days, well, the April chill will continue. We're looking at 52 for Friday into Saturday. Weekend starts off dry, but boy, very cold, 28 degrees, so below freezing Saturday morning, and then another round of showers and warmer temperatures Sunday. Doesn't last for very long. 50s returning once again by early next